Here's one little tip. No matter what it may be, you go to a store, may go to buy a car, you may go to the doctor's office, or to come see me like a dentist. And I can tell you this is that you never want to talk to anybody that will devalue the services that they're actually going to be providing or the good they may provide to you. Because at the end of the day, it's not about the price, right? It's about the value you're going to receive from the services or the good that that person is actually trying to provide for you. And what I mean by this is that, yes, people come in and think the dentist is expensive, but you don't have to voice that to the dentist and talk about, no, I'm only about the price. It's all about the cost to me, and anything above this is just not worth it to me. Well, that's not saying anything about the price, whether it's high or too low or just right, because really, truly, no one even truly knows. No one knows. Everybody's different. What I think is going to be valuable at $5,000 may be completely different from someone else. At $200, at $20, be valuable to someone else. So it's not about the price. It's not about the cost. It's about the value you perceive to receive from that price. So if you're looking for a dental implant and my price, I don't know, is $5,000, someone else is $3,000, well, you have to make that decision whether or not the value of $2,000 that I could provide is worth it to you versus going someplace that may be cheaper. There's a value difference there. And that's what you have to make a decision about. It's not that I'm expensive. It's not that I'm all about the money. It's not about greed. It's not nothing about that whatsoever. It's just the cost of doing services and what it's worth. You see, I've been doing this for about 15 years, all settled done with all kind of training from dental school to actually practicing. And it's taken me that long to develop my skills and always constant training. So I know what I can provide. I am worth what I know I am worth. Now, I can't sit down and quote you exactly what I charge for every single procedure. No, I have really no idea. I have a general ballpark. I know some of the prices will be going up. They go up because of supply prices go up, labor goes up, a lot of different things that are into effect. But I know this: the dentist is not expensive when it comes to medicine. It's not. You go to the hospital or doctor, they're going to charge you 400 or 500 bucks for an Advil that lasts for 30 minutes or 2 hours. Whereas I can take a cavity out of a tooth for that amount, maybe two teeth, and make sure that cavity does not come back for a long period of time, 5, 10 years, as long as you take care of it. So yes, so please, 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 no matter if you go to buy a car or to the doctor or come see me, don't complain about the price because really the price is not the issue. The issue is your perceived value of the difference of maybe my price compared to someone else's price. The price between a Mercedes Benz and a Nissan Maxima. It's that simple. 'Cause at the end of the day, I really don't know what my prices even truly are. I just know that they're in line for what my value I believe I'm worth. And anything that tells me that I'm too expensive or try to cheapen my rate, that just tells me that you're trying to devalue what I'm trying to do, devalue my services. And I know if I was in anybody else's shoes doing different things, I would not want that to actually take place. That's one thing I never do to other people, and that's one thing I encourage you to also not do.